Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're graduating in 2025 or 2026 and looking for your first job in a top IT company, then today's opportunity is something you should definitely not miss. Cognizant has officially opened applications for the service desk role, and the application window is closing on 31st July 2026. So if you're interested, make sure you apply as soon as possible. Let's go through all the important details. First, let's talk about the company. Cognizant is one of the world's leading IT services and consulting companies, with employees across more than 40 countries. It serves global clients in banking, healthcare, retail, insurance, manufacturing, and many other industries. For freshers, Cognizant is known for providing excellent training, career growth, and opportunities to work on international projects. Now, let's talk about the job role. The position is Service Desk Associate. If you're wondering what a service desk role actually is, don't worry, it's not a coding role. In this position, you'll provide technical support to employees or clients who face IT-related issues. You'll be the first person users contact whenever they need help with their systems. Now, let's understand your day-to-day responsibilities. You'll receive support requests from users, log and track service tickets, troubleshoot basic hardware and software issues, resolve common technical problems, coordinate with internal IT teams whenever an issue requires escalation, maintain proper documentation, and help create knowledge base articles for future reference. In simple words, you'll ensure that users receive quick and efficient technical support whenever they encounter IT problems. Now, let's discuss the eligibility. The company has clearly mentioned that students graduating in 2025 and 2026 are eligible. Candidates from any 3-year undergraduate degree can apply, including BCom, BCA, BSc, BA, BBA, BMS, BVoc. Students currently pursuing a full-time postgraduate course are not eligible. You must have at least 50% marks in Class 10, Class 12, Diploma if applicable, and graduation. Also, there should be no active backlogs at the time of joining. Now, let's talk about the skills required. The company is looking for candidates who have good communication skills, customer service mindset, basic technical knowledge, problem-solving ability, willingness to learn, ability to work in rotational shifts. Since this is a service desk role, communication is one of the most important skills. Now, let's discuss the benefits offered by Cognizant. One major advantage is that there is no service bond. Candidates from science, technology, and mathematics backgrounds may also get an opportunity to pursue higher education sponsored by Cognizant through BITS Pilani, subject to eligibility. The company also provides night shift allowance, cab facility for pickup and drop, performance rewards and recognition, excellent learning opportunities, career growth in IT support and infrastructure. Now, let's discuss the documents required. For registration, you'll need updated resume, recent passport size photograph. During interviews and onboarding, you'll also need academic documents, college ID, PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID or passport. So make sure all these documents are ready before applying. Who should apply? This opportunity is perfect for BCA graduates, BSc graduates, BCom graduates, BA graduates, BBA graduates, BMS students, freshers interested in IT support, candidates looking to start their career in the IT industry. One important reminder, the application deadline is 31st July 2026, so don't wait until the last moment. I've added the official application link in the description below. Apply as soon as possible and share this opportunity with your friends who are eligible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon because I upload daily job updates from Cognizant, Accenture, Deloitte, EY, PwC, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, CGI, Microsoft, Amazon and many more. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best for your application and I'll see you in the next video.